sending up a drone. Students in the firefighter program at Bluffton High School are learning how to use the technology.
It's the future. Okay, drones are the future, and the fire service, just like any other industry, we're adapting to it. We're adapting to the technology that's available to us today that's coming in the future. The young kids, they're growing up in a technological age, from elementary on up throughout their high school education. Drones is just another tool that they can add on to that and use within the fire service, give them a leg up for when they get into that real world job situation.
Next school year, the program will be adding drone training to the curriculum, so the firefighter instructor wanted to make sure his students are ready and brought in his own personal drone for students to train with.
I feel like it'll really help us save lives in the future, and it's just something that a lot of firefighters really need to know how to use. You'd be surprised how many people don't know how to use modern technology. I feel like it's great to begin to adapt as our times start, moving forward. We just got to learn to adapt with what we have.
Firefighters from the Bluffton Township Fire District observed the training and say they use drones in several different situations.
We can use it for a large area search. We can use it for if there's a brush fire, we can identify hot spots. We can also use it in large area structure fires just to get a bird's eye view.
Having the drones will allow students to experience new training activities.
I plan on using the drones in training scenarios where we can simulate a forest fire and going using a tree line, having the drone identify where the smoke plume is coming from, what direction, if it sees any bodies, any type of hazards or threats.
The program also hopes to get different types of drones.
We plan on getting underwater drones as well. In this area, in the last couple of years, there was a high number of alligator attacks where the alligator took the body underneath the water in the ponds, and this way we can avoid sending a person inside that hazardous environment to search for an individual. We can send an underwater drone in to find out where that person is at.
At Bluffton High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.